Shut up before I break this on your head.
Leave her because of the belly. Karina, leave her because of the belly. You.
Something where we go take settle here quietly. Today, oh yeah, come here. Come on, hand before you break.
You can't tell head for that you create. Can't wait to do. Why is your mouth? Then they want me to go prison. You see what your concubine do? Your concubine, you don't know why you buy for sunshine. Now your concubine carrying they cook for them. Now people say if they cook, go look what they cook for them. Who be that? They ask me no. Who be that? Who be your concubine when you carry her glass? Jesus. I don't understand, Nikki. Jesus. See what's in my eye they see. Who you want cook this indomie give? Only you. Only you have many indomie for here. And just make only you. Now only you want eat all this food. See egg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only you.
Now do like
hold the camera for me.
You don't know if I give social now you carry them mad. Wait. If I start on the go say I don't start.
Madam, you don't go cook this indomie shop until you tell me who give you belly. Wait. Nobody go to consume my food and I don't know who give you belly.
7
you never clear.
Is it too much?
It's too much. What kind of rubbish is that?
You want peace prison? They carry come up
What kind of rubbish is that? That indomie is too much.
They carry come up
That indomie is too much, madam. I can't take it. See, you don't be too much.
The daily egg I'm supposed
you want me supposed to eat normal indomie. You don't put too much already.
How many egg?
Come on, hand before you break.
You can't tell head for that you create.
You reach 10.
You don't reach 10 now. You dey create. You tell like that now wetin? You dey mad.
I too like noise.
Karina,
Okay, wait.
You don't go eat.
Now your concubine, huh?
You don't go eat.
Why?
I don't
Maybe
know.
open like
You never tell me. You never tell me who give you belly. Probably go to consume. I can human being. See, you don't already open 2 for water. You still keep about 6 when you want to open put. Only you. Almost 10 egg. What's the happen? That's why you with me.
They want me to go prison.
Yeah, you don't go eat this food.
Okay, you want
You go be like saying,
you want
give me this thing. You go be like saying, you go see what I
you
will do you.
so that you don't get weight. Why is your mouth?
Jesus.
Nikki, you don't go shop that food.
Jesus.
Queen. Tell me who give you belly first. Tell me who give you belly. Carry that thing for ground. You don't go shop am.
See your life.
You don't go shop
You
food.
want fat.
You
You want
don't
them
go
on
eat.
cash.
Shut up.
If I
Shut up.
wait, oh, you be like
Shut up before I break this on your head.
Leave her because of the belly. Karina, leave her because of the belly.
Something where we go take settle here quietly. Today, oh yeah, come here. Come mob you. Come now. Allow her let her fight me first. Come.
Leave her.
Leave her.
Leave her because of the belly.
I say allow her.
Leave me. Leave me. You don't go eat for this house. You tell me who give you belly.
Come now. Come.
You come out for here. I will blow your.
Something.
I will blow your eye, yo.
the Lord said to
I will blow
Papa
your
like
eye, yo.
you know go say to Papa like man when you be see you know that they
No be every time
No
you
go
dey
eat.
fight.
Even this food, say this rice, you no go eat am. Tell me who give you belly first.
Make character because Nanam did they cause this rubbish.
Tell me who give you belly.
I should tell you who give you
See,
belly.
no be everywhere. See, yeah, my mama come business. See how you dey waste my food. Only you want eat 7 indomie, 7 packets of indomie, 10 egg. See everywhere.
make me dey look you and now your born baby I know I go kick you better kick you there.
You know where?
Na me is point to me for abi.
You know where?
Na me is point to me for.
See everywhere.
You see the indomie, you queen, you choose to come and throw it down.
See everything.
You choose to come and
See
throw
everywhere.
it down, Abi.
See everywhere.
You choose to come and throw it.
Yes,
now.
ma. But you never tell me who give you belly.
Okay, now this
I
shirt.
am going to continue to.
You don't get sense.
Now this shirt where you dey
Wait,
shout.